Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and a new favorite of mine, our 1984 Mercedes-Benz 240GD. This example has just over 24,000 original miles, converted from the kilometers you see there. All the gauges work properly. It had a light restoration in 2021 where they did the bed liner for the body and then the custom brown interior. It has new tires within the past year, all four plus the spare. Nice little jerry cans. It has a hitch with the trailer wiring right there. The top is all in nice shape and very versatile. The sides will roll up, the back will roll up, the front will roll back, or the whole thing can come off. Has a cool functional snorkel. It's the 2.4 liter OM616 4-cylinder diesel with a whopping 71 horsepower. It's a 4-speed manual, has locking differentials, a 2-speed transfer case. You see all of that here, which also all works properly. Radio delete, there's choke, hazards. Again, all the gauges that work nicely. Headlights, the wipers. This is for your glow plugs. For a cold start, you hold that for 10 to 15 seconds and then it starts right up. Also has a battery cutoff switch. The custom interior is pretty cool. It's nice and comfy. The seats are padded nicely. It just elevates it all and makes it a nicer experience. The undercarriage has been rust-proof. It's got new shocks and springs. I would also like to point out that it doesn't leak any oil or anything. It's kept my driveway nice and clean. All around, it's just a super cool, nice driving little truck. It's smooth at speed. It comfortably does 55 miles an hour. Downhill, I've been up to 62. But it's awesome, and you could literally drive it every day. So there you have it, our 1984 Mercedes-Benz 240GD.